My goodness, this lunch looks like dinner. Ryan's making a t-shirt. He bought a t-shirt. And he's cutting off the sleeves. But oh my god. This is our lunch. Shrimp. Cantaloupe? Oh, cantaloupe. Cucumber. Cucumber juice. Amazing.
Look at that find. In the Philippines. Felix the cat. Perfect.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, guys.
Nice. Brian.
Thank you.
Maybe it's like a sponge cake.
I love a man in uniform.
Oh yeah.
On your mark. All right.
Good. What is it? Lemon?
Nope.
Vanilla?
Almost like a caramel inside.
No.
But yeah, vanilla. Very good cake. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Imported all the way from Canada. So, my wife really taped this up good. All the way from Canada for my birthday. So I'm gonna have a few drinks for my birthday. And then savor the rest for New Year's. Cause we'll check and do spaghetti on Monday, but pretty sure I can't get Crown Royal or any really good rye whiskey in the Philippines. Maybe in Manila, but I doubt it.
Oh, that feels so good. Woo! Oh my god. You should go stand in the rain and see how hard it is. Just stand there and see how long it takes you to get soaked. Do it.
It's good. It gets rid of all the dirt.
All the rain from the roof. That's how fast it's coming out. It literally just started as I turned the camera on. What are you doing?
I'm trying to clean some of the dirt, but because they don't have a
Nozzle?
Real pressurized water system here. It's painful.
The struggle is real.
It's real.
This is what you do on your birthday in the Philippines.
I'd be doing this at home too. I love watching the water outside the house.
Beep.